Morning, Mayor. Apologies, the Undersecretary, Yusek Rica Bueno, cannot join today. So I will be delivering her speech. But before that, mag-segue lang ako doon sa mga sinabi ni Mayor at ni Ms. Margie. Sabi ni Mayor earlier about the several tourism products. Actually, when the Secretary Frasco had a meeting with the QCTAA officials and members, sabi ni Seth talaga, oh, you're very lucky, ang dami ng tourism products ngayon ng Quezon City. Of course, aside from gastronomy tourism and food tourism, nandiyan ang pink tourism. We call that pink tourism for the Pride Festival. You have the film tourism, you have the sports tourism, so nandiyan na lahat, aside from the mines tourism. So, yon ang message ni Secretary. I remember that statement of the Secretary. And of course, sabi rin ni Ms. Margie earlier na marami na kayong mga tour packages. Of course, we from the Department of Tourism, of course, we would like to encourage you to create more tour packages, especially next year. So next year we'll be hosting several ASEAN meetings. So napakarami po niyan. So most probably maraming mag-i-inquire sa mga travel and tour operators ng Quezon City. So January pa lang mag-host na ang Philippines ng ASEAN Tourism Forum 2026. And for the rest of the month of 2026, there will be a lot of ministerial and senior officers ASEAN meetings. So kailangan po maging ready tayo at maging prepare tayo. Of course, medyo meron din akong idadagdag doon sa message ni Mayor kanina. Sabi niya doon sa mga projects sa Quezon City, may nakalimutan kasi si Mayor. Kailangan hindi natin hindi natin makalimutan ito. Meron pong project ang Tourism Infrastructure Enterprise Zone Authority or TIEZA, ang ating pong attached agency ng Department of Tourism. And I think nagsisimula na, Mayor? It's within the Quezon City Memorial Circle. It's another part or, another big project. Collaboration between the DOT and TIEZA, and of course, the LGU Quezon City. So now, allow me to read the message of the Undersecretary. Mabuhay, good morning, distinguished guests, partners in public service, leaders of the tourism sector, honored colleagues, travelers, and every member of the vibrant Quezon City travel community. Allow me to extend my warmest acknowledgement to our partners, whose dedication fuels Quezon City's vibrant tourism landscape. Honorable Josefina Joy Belmonte, of course, the Mayor of Quezon City, the officers and members of QCTAA, led by its President, Ms. Margie Castro, Ms. Jana Ira Barata, Acting Chief of Tourism Operations and Head of the Quezon City Tourism Department, the past presidents of QCTAA, whose legacy continues to inspire, the presidents of industry associations, PTAA, Philcoa, NITAS, RTAA, BATA, Kaito, ALTA, UTAW, UTA, OA, and Itatoa. So ano pa po bang mga tourism associations na nandito? Toyota Mobility Solutions, PH CEO Maria Cristina Ferrevalo, VFS Global Senior Manager Janice Isidro Honor, and of course, hindi ko na makakalimutan ngayon, si Miss Reyna, 2025, Reyna Hispano-Americana Diamante, whose presence adds elegance and global spirit to today's celebration. Educators, tourism students, industry leaders, families, young professionals, and adventure seekers. On behalf of the Department of Tourism, Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Quezon City Travel Agencies Associations for organizing this milestone event, More to Explore, Travel Expo dedicated to inbound tourism. Promise niyo yan kay Secretary, inbound tourism muna tayo. Your vision to bring together travel and tour agencies, tourism industry operators, professionals, and local stakeholders under one roof is both timely and inspiring, especially as we strive to strengthen the domestic travel market and invite the world to discover what the Philippines has to offer. The convening of this event is truly commendable because it responds to the growing need for inclusiveness, accessibility, and revitalization of local tourism. as the tourism industry continues to regain its momentum. Your efforts have paved the way for a diverse array of curated destination packages, immersive experiences, and collaborative partnerships, all under one roof, one city. It is a testament to your vision that travelers, tour operators, hoteliers, restaurants, and entrepreneurs are joining hands to rekindle a shared enthusiasm for discovering the heart of our metro. This event is more than an expo. It is a movement towards sustainable, experience-rich, and socially impactful tourism in Quezon City and beyond. Inbound, and domestic tourism are lifelines that keep the heart of the Philippine tourism beating strong. They are pillars of our economy, culture, and community, having contributed 5.4 trillion pesos to the economy in 2024, supporting more than 10 million direct and indirect jobs in the tourism value chain. Domestic visitors spending alone reached 3.9 trillion pesos, already surpassing pre-pandemic levels, while international receipts continue their upward trajectory, reinforcing tourism's role as a key driver of inclusive growth. As Secretary Frasco emphasized in recent past press briefings, tourism is not only the driver of economic recovery, it is a catalyst for national pride and inclusive growth. She highlighted that the Philippines welcomed over 5 million international visitors in 2024, generating billions in revenue and revitalizing local economies. Every tourist we welcome supports a Filipino family, she noted, underscoring the sector's role in job creation and community empowerment. Her consistent message champions a tourism strategy that blends cultural celebration with economic resilience, anchored by flagship initiatives like the Philippine Experience Program and strengthened regional partnerships. Sana maka-join po kayo, Mayor, dun sa Philippine Experience Program natin. Above all, domestic tourism has anchored our country's recovery. Filipinos exploring their own country, circulating both across regions, and proving that travel can unite us in pride and purpose. Tourism doesn't just move people, it moves the nation forward. To boost domestic tourism under the leadership of Secretary Frasco, the DOT launched one of its major programs that is rapidly transforming the landscape of local travel, and that is the Philippine Experience Program. The Philippine Experience Program, or we call it PEP, is envisioned as a flagship cultural tourism initiative. Its core mission is to showcase the rich culture, heritage, and artistry of the Philippines, highlighting the stories, flavors, and experiences that make our country uniquely Filipino. They are curated experiences that foster genuine engagement with local communities. The tours allow guests to witness local craftsmanship, sample authentic cuisine, learn about indigenous practices, and celebrate the arts, wellness, and faith traditions of each destination. What makes the PEP, or the Philippines Experience Program, truly special is its promise to open tourism opportunities for everyone, everywhere. It levels the playing field so that the economic and cultural rewards don't just flow to our most famous destinations. They also reach the hidden gems, the less traveled, but equally captivating provinces and towns that are ready to shine. As we celebrate tourism's resurgence and diversification, it is important to recognize Quezon City's rise as an essential hub for meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, or MICE. The recent completion and activation of this four-story Quezon City MICE Center, now a cornerstone of business events in the metropolis, signals an ambitious drive to reposition the city as a leading destination, not just for leisure travelers, but also for corporate and association events, exhibitions, live shows, and trade expos. Marami na kami mapapanood dito ngayon, Mayor. Quezon City's distinctive appeal as a MICE destination lies not only in its infrastructure, but in its embrace of diversity and inclusivity. The city made a historic leap as it hosted the Salaang Expo, the Halal Travel and Trade Expo at Gateway Mall 2 in Araneta City, now in its second year under the aegis of the Department of Tourism, and with the active collaboration of the local government. The Salaam Expo is more than a marketplace or convention. It is a vibrant celebration of a Muslim Filipino culture, halal-certified products, and Muslim-friendly travel packages, featuring regional cuisine, modest fashion, wellness products, cultural performances, and faith-based tourism initiatives. The event is part of DOT's wider strategies to strengthen the Philippines' reputation as a Muslim-friendly nation both for local and international travelers. Muslim visitors now represent a growing demographic, nearly 500,000 travelers from Muslim-majority countries. In 2023 alone, a figure projected to increase as the nation moves up the ranks in the Global Muslim Travel Index. The significance of Quezon City's role as a staging ground for the Salaam Expo cannot be overstated. Home to an estimated 40,000 to 50,000 Muslims, Quezon City embodies multiculturalism and a genuine spirit of inclusivity, hallmarks of its dynamic urban identity. Through dedicated local offices such as the Bangsamoro Affairs Office and forward-thinking policy making, the city is integrating halal principles into tourism and trade, ensuring that no one is left behind in city's progress and prosperity. By investing in MICE and inclusive tourism development, Quezon City expands its reach to new markets, generates additional revenue, and serves as a model for other cities aspiring to become competitive, progressive, and welcoming to all. Beyond its event spaces, Quezon City offers rich tourism assets, the iconic Quezon Memorial Circle, a symbol of history and heritage, gastronomical hubs like Trellis, sinasabi ko yung Trellis, I hope na panood niyo yung Somebody Feed Feel, that have become culinary landmarks, and the exciting search of food parks that offer diverse flavors and vibrant social spaces. These attractions not only enrich the visitor experience, but also strengthen the city's identity as a cultural culinary hotspot. At the heart of Quezon City and the Filipino identity stands the Quezon Memorial Circle, home to the iconic 66-meter Quezon Memorial Shrine. It offers museums, gardens, play zones, and walking and biking trails, a vibrant blend of history, culture, and community life. Kailangan po mag-retour sa Quezon City, marami na po pala ako hindi na-update at marami ng bagong mga museum, sabi ko kay Mayor. But Quezon City's charm extends far beyond its monuments. It boasts a food scene that becomes a destination in itself, led by Trellis. On Matalino Street, a Filipino culinary icon, famed for its legendary sisig. So naging sikat tuloy yung sisig sa Trellis, Mayor, because of the Somebody Feed Feel, and grilled specialties, which recently sold out after being featured in Netflix Somebody Feed Feel. Maginhawa Street, now an official tourism district, pulses with cafes, bistros, and annual food and arts festivals, embodying the city's spirit of innovation. These spaces are more than dining spots. They're where communities gather, cultures meet, and new culinary talents emerge. Beyond food, Quezon City offers heritage walking tours, eco parks, creative hubs, and hidden gems like Bahay Modernismo. Parang kailangan kong makapunta talaga sa Bahay Modernismo. Presidential Car Museum and Tandang Sora Women's Museum. Proof that the city's appeal is as diverse as the travelers it welcomes. Indeed, Quezon City is not just a jump-off point, but it is the destination itself. As we look ahead, let us continue to work together to deepen our collaboration in developing our inbound and local tourism. Together, we can expand our reach, enhance our offerings, and ensure that Quezon City and the Philippines as a whole remain a destination that inspires, welcomes, and sustains. Let us work hand in hand to create a future where tourism is not just an industry, but a shared journey of discovery, pride, and prosperity. Let's be vigilant stewards of our heritage, guardians of our culture, and champions of sustainable, inclusive tourism. Our goal is clear. Make Quezon City a model of experience-rich, resilient, and welcoming urban tourism. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang Philippine tourism, mabuhay ang Quezon City, and love the Philippines.